And up first with Halloween, just around the corner, we have the original Squishmallows. These are their Halloween treat pails. Instead of carrying around those hard shell trick-or-treat pails, try grabbing one of these. These are soft, plush, and even better, they're taking $5 off the price, bringing it down to $12.99. These are going very fast. They have a few different variations available, so grab them while they last. And we are back at Costco, Boston, Massachusetts, September 16th, friends, and we have a bunch of great deals going on. Don't forget, the Costco coupon book expires September 22nd, so if you didn't have a chance to see that video, go back and look at my August week 4's video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and remember, at the end of the video, don't forget to hit that like button. With the cooler weather on its way, we have these beautiful ladies 3-in-1 jackets. We have black, we have maroon, and we have a tan, beautiful color. These are 3-in-1, so you can pull them apart and use them as a vest, use them as a shell, or you can put them all together and use them as a 3-in-1. They do have a little hood behind it, and these are by the brand called Land's End. They're giving us $5 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. And as requested, I have added a couple of wines this video. We do have the Casillero del Diablo. This means the Devil's Locker, I believe, something among those lines. And this is a wine from Chile in 2022, Casillero del Diablo. And they're giving us $5 off the price, and that's bringing it down to $9.79, a great red wine. So here we have a pretty interesting product. We have 720 milligrams of omega-3. For over a decade, we've known to get our omegas from fish, but now these are plant-based, getting it directly from the source algae. How well of a product this is, I'm not sure, but they're giving us a discount here, $5 off, bringing the price down to $18.99. If you guys know more about plant-based omega, leave a comment below. So we covered our omegas. Let's cover some electrolyte water. We have Propel Fitness Water, berry, kiwi, strawberry, and grape, 24 bottles per package. Each bottle is 16.9 ounces. And this is Gatorade electrolytes, $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.99. And yes, this is sweetened with acesulfame potassium, aka artificial sweeteners, sucralose. And next we have the Haagen-Dazs Vanilla Milk Chocolate Almond. Very delicious bars. You get 15 bars per package, and the macros are back, just like I said. Let's have a look. 270 calories per bar. We do have 14 grams of added sugar and 40 grams of protein. And this is priced $3 off, bringing the price down to $9.99. And with so many comments, read the macros, read the macros. The people have spoken. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Read the macros. Here we have the Seeds of Change organic quinoa and brown rice with garlic, 6 pouches per box, 280 calories per cup, 4.5 grams of fat, 53 carbs, 360 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of protein, and they're taking $3 off the price, bringing it down to $9.89. If you do have any suggestions or comments or ideas or any kind of constructive criticism, leave me a comment below. And remember, friends, try to be nice if you can. No need to be cruel. And if you are cruel, that's okay. I got alligator skin. I'm here for you. So here we have the very popular Benko. These are their fresh lunchbox containers, and they do come in a 2-pack here at Costco. These are BPA free, airtight seal, and the inner tray is dishwash and microwave safe, so no need to worry. They're giving us $5 off the price, bringing it down to $14.99. So with football season back, everyone loves to tailgate. We have the Ion Audio Tailgater. This is a tough 65-watt all-weather speaker by Ion. It does have IPX5, which means it's weatherproof and water resistance. This is Bluetooth 5.3, 65-watt. It does have a USB-A power bank. They're taking $20 off the sticker, bringing it down to $79.99. We have a new alkaline water here at Costco. We are looking at the Gatorade unflavored water. This is electrolyte infused. We are getting a 15-pack here. Each bottle is 1 liter, and this is alkaline water, once again, with infused electrolytes. They're giving us $4 off the price, bringing it down to $13.99. That's about 93 cents per bottle. Here we have the men's multivitamin gummies by Vitafusion, but we need to have a look at the sugar content. Is this a candy or a multivitamin? Looks like 2 gummies, 1 serving is 3 grams of added sugar. So if you were to eat this every day, 365 days of the year, that's equivalent to 219 teaspoons. They're giving us $3.50 off the price, bringing it down to $10.49. And here we have something much more healthier than those multivitamin gummies. We are looking at organic cooked beets. And yes, this is unbelievable for your heart health. If you suffer from hypertension, this is great. This is also great for your digestive system. 45 calories, 10 grams of carb, and 1 gram of protein. Let's have a look at the price. $2.40 off, bringing the price down to $7.39. This is for a 42.3 ounce package. So here's a fun fact I did not know. The beautiful lady at the Costco bakery today told me, if you're watching, thank you very much. She told me on holidays where Costco's closed, the day before, Costco likes to mark down their bakery goods, but they only do it 1 to 2 hours before closing. So if you want a great deal, head there 1 to 2 hours before closing. Here we have a 2-pack of tumblers by Reduce, and what I love about this product specifically, it's made of glass. These are glass tumblers that are insulated, and we do get a 2-pack here, but I just don't like the colors. I'm not a huge fan of the pastel colors, but they are giving us a discount here. Let me walk around so we can get a better shot at that. When I have this on 4K footage, I don't get that great of a zoom, so give me 1 second to walk around. This does features an 8-hour cold time with the insulation. This is dishwasher safe, dual wall vacuumed, and this is $4 off, bringing the price down to $15.99. And here we have some vitamin D with some K2 available here. These are on sale. Looks like we're getting 5,000 IUs of vitamin D, and these are plant-based. A new product here at Costco as well. But let's have a look at the discount they're giving us. $6 off, bringing the price down to $21.99, and we do get 160 pills. And get ready for your mouth to water. We have the triple chocolate premium brownie mix by Ghirardelli. We do get a 6-pack here, so we get 6 packages. They have chocolate chips. Let's have a look at the macros. 140 calories, 3 grams, 26 grams of carbs, 18 grams of added sugar, and 1 gram of protein. Let's have a look at the price now. This looks delicious. $4 off, bringing the price down to $10.99. Here we have Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. I had a similar product on my Amazon video yesterday. If you didn't have a chance to watch that, I'll leave a link at the end of the description. They're giving us $4 off the price, bringing it down to $25.99. Here we have a great board game. So if you're a fan, you may want to check this one out. This is the Deluxe Loteria. So if you love artwork, especially Mexican art, you're gonna love this board game. The artwork is phenomenal. Such a great gift idea too. And it's priced so cheap for what it is. This is a Mexican bingo board game. $3 off, bringing the price down to $9.99. So here we have some delicious creamy tomato soup by Family Kitchen. We are getting 2 24-ounce containers of this, but let's have a look at the macros. 1 cup is 290 calories, 22 grams of fat, 680 milligrams of sodium, 21 carbs, and 3 grams of protein. This does have 6 grams of included added sugars, but let's have a look at the price. They're taking off $3 off the price, bringing it down to $6.99. So here's another reminder that the Costco coupon book expires September 22nd. And if you have gut health issues, suffer from bloating, you may want to incorporate a probiotic into your daily routine. Here we are looking at Align Probiotic, $11 off, bringing the price down to $43.99. And for our tea lovers out there, we have the Red Ginseng Tea, a great product by Hong Sam-won. This is a Korean red tea, beautiful product here. $5 off, bringing the price down to $17.69. And next up, we have the No-Show Socks by K-Bell. We are getting 10 pairs of socks per package. We only have 1 color variation. All they have was black, but you do get 10 pairs per package. These are No-Show socks. They're giving us $2 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. And here we have a 2-pack of metal wire baskets by Gourmet Basic. It does have that black finish, adds a great look to it. We do have two baskets, a 12-inch and a 10-inch. Let me pull these apart for you so you can have a better look. This does have a breathable open wire construction, and that allows the fruits to ripen very evenly. This is a interesting product. Not a bad price. They're taking $3 off, bringing the price down to $11.99. And here's a product I enjoy. We have the chicken skewers, Mediterranean style, and yes, these are grilled. Very good product. We have 28 ounces total here, 24 grams of protein per serving, says right on top, 150 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and 24 grams of protein. Nice product. Very good for when you're on the go. And this is $4 off, bringing the price down to $11.99. Not bad at all. Well, I'm sure we all could use a little more fiber in our diet. I know I can. This is sugar-free Metamucil, the 4-in-1 fiber. We are getting a 2-pack here, and they're giving us a good discount here. 2 packs, 130 doses, $8 off, $31.99. This is out of the Instant Savings Costco book that ends September 22nd. And here we have the Poland Spring water. We do get 15 bottles. Each bottle is 1 liter. So same size and quantity as the Gatorade alkaline water. Let's have a look at the price and then compare the two. Why did they put the price so up high? Here we go. They're taking $1.60 off the price, bringing it down to $6.29. This is still 50% cheaper than the Gatorade water. And our next deal here at Costco, they're taking $5 off the boneless pork loin. But before you just grab one, make sure you grab the least expensive one you can find. Some of these vary from $2 to $3, so you want to maximize your savings by getting the least expensive. That way, when they apply the $5, you maximize your savings. And for our furry friends, we have the Toro Bully Chews. If you didn't see my last Costco video, we had a bunch of dog beds on clearance. Go check out that video. Those beds are going fast. We have a 12-pack of Bully Chews here, and they're taking $6 off the price, bringing it now down to $19.99. And with football season back, a lot of people are entertaining. We have the hefty super weight plates here. These are foam plates. We are getting 220. These are about 5 cents per plate. They're taking $3 off the price, bringing it down to $10.49. Here we have the Dish Daddy combo pack. We do get a soap dispensing dish wand. You get 3 heads, and you also get the original Scrub Daddy. They're taking off $4 off the price, bringing it down to $12.69. And here we have the medicated wipes. This is hemorrhoidal wipes with witch hazel. Did they spell hemorrhoidal wrong? I think it's supposed to be 1M. Leave me a comment, let me know below. I think it's supposed to be 1M. That's got to be an error. This is $3 off, bringing the price down to $11.49. And let's not forget about our Kirkland synthetic motor oil. We do have the 5W30 here at a great price. 2 5-quarts you're getting. Wow. And this is only priced at $29.99. They're giving us $9 off. If you don't want 530, they got 520, and they also have 0W20. All 3 of them they have, all priced at $29.99. This is a must buy, especially if you need an oil change in the future. Hurry up and grab this. And here's a great example of what to keep an eye on Costco today. We have a manager special and we have a discontinued item. Keep your eyes out on these items. This is only $149.99. This is a Medea 2-door refrigerator, and this is going to be discontinued. We have the Wind Pro umbrellas that I showed the other day, and then Costco new arrival video. And look at these, they're already on sale. Not even 2 weeks later, these are on sale. Look what they're giving us, $5 off and bringing the price down to $9.99. These are very compact, only 46 inches. And here we have the new arrival of the Old Spice. How do I know? Because the guy just brought it in and he told me they were out of it. This is the 4-pack of Old Spice deodorant, scratch and sniff, aluminum-free deodorant, 247 protection, $4 off, bringing the price down to $11.99. Here we have the men's waterproof ankle rain boots. These are by Stockicom. We only have one color variation, just the black at my store, and they have multiple sizes all the way up to size 13. I'm not sure if they had 14, but let's have a look at the price. Very ugly boot, I may add. $7 off, bringing the price down to $25.99. And for our coffee lovers, we have the whole bean French Roast by Starbucks. This is their dark roast coffee, and Costco does have a grinder at the end of the store if you want to grind your coffee before you leave. Perfect for those of you who love the pour overs. They're taking $6 off the price here, bringing it down to $12.99, and that is for a 40-ounce bag. And if you're not a fan of Starbucks or you don't feel like making your own coffee, have some of this cold brew. This is on sale at a great deal. La Colombe, you're getting two 42-ounce bottles here, 15 calories per serving for 12 ounces. You go to Starbucks and get a cold brew, it's the same price as buying these two big bottles. This is $3.50 off, bringing the price down to $5.99. We had so many new holiday arrivals here at Costco. Stay tuned for my new Costco arrival video where I go over each product one by one. So ending the video here, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please leave me a like at the end of the video. That really helps my channel grow. And also subscribe when you get a chance. I'll see you guys at the next video. Peace. We got another video down in the books. If you enjoyed today's episode and you do enjoy this type of content, thank you for your support. If you would like to help out my channel, I would very much appreciate if you can give me a like. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I've added a few links at the end of this video. You can click on any one of these thumbnails. This is my suggestion or what to watch next, or you can click on my playlist. And remember guys, be kind to each other. I'll see you at the next video.